Hello, my name is Zachary Mitchell. This is my DFM term project. I'm making a folding footrest, kind of a camp chair style, something you could take in your backpack with you while you're going camping. Yeah, so starting off here, we're making the center axle, the hinge joint for the rest. You just saw me turning it to length and then parting it off. Then we're going to use the center drill to start the tapping process of both ends. So the center drill, followed by the tap size drill for this bit. This is a 159 thou drill bit for a 1032 tap. So now we're chucking our tap up into the lid. This is a 1032 flat bottom tap. This will let us go to the very bottom of the hole. We're checking it up with the live center there to make sure we keep the whole tap straight with the part throughout the entire process. And then we're just going to tap all the way to the bottom. Next, we have our actual legs for the stool. This will be made using camp chair tube. This is some WD-40 white lithium grease going onto some 3D printed dies I made. Here I'm measuring to make sure the tube is centered, and then this die will just go into the hydraulic press and bend all the way to the desired angle. Notice some deflection, so I had to throw a clamp on it and then use a little bit of hand to bend it the rest of the way, but overall this worked great. Now I'm stitching the rest onto the actual footrest. I elected to go with some hand stitching. This let me get a lot closer to the actual tube than a machine stitch would, and I was able to get a tight enough fit that I eliminated the need for any mechanical fastening of the rest. To make the feet, I'm going to be resin casting them. So this is a box for my silicone mold that I'm hot gluing together to not allow there to be any leaks from the silicone. Then I'm pouring silicone around this 3D printed blank of what the foot will look like just without the hole drilled, and we're just going to cover this entirely with silicone. So my first couple feet didn't turn out too great, so we just kept trying a couple different methods, and then eventually I got to a part where I was pretty happy with. There's still some air pockets just due to the silicone itself, but I got 4 feet that I was happy with. So with all the parts made, we can move on to assembly. I'm using six 1032 by 1.5 inch screws and a couple nuts and washers along the way. The axle joints don't need any nuts as the axle itself is tapped, but moving on to the feet, we're using a 1032 bolt, two number 10 washers, and a 1032 nylock nut to fasten it securely. I wanted to use all the same bolt size and nut size there. That way you only had to bring one tool with you if you ever had to take this apart or replace any bolts. And here we have it, all complete and ready to go on all your adventures with you. Thank you very much.